everybody, how are you doing? We are back in the ride again because we've spent a lot of this trip in the ride. We are just now leaving our aunt's house, or my grandmother's house, and we're gonna head over to go take a look at the train. This is one of Anthony's favorite places to go, and we always try to stop here in town because, you know, it's a really cool train and it's got the building is a historical marker, so we just like to stop in. So we're gonna bring you guys there. We're here, guys. It's a pretty cool place, railroad. And what's really super cool is a historic Teague hotel next to it. This is so cool. You ready? You want to go see the train? Anthony, do you want to see the train? Yeah? Yeah. Come on. Yeah, this way. Yeah, we're gonna look at the train. Yeah. I know, isn't it cool? Here, come over here. Look, come look at the train. Come over here, Anthony, come here. Come here so Mommy can see. Wow. Look at this guy right here. He is super cool. Anthony, look! Come over here. Let's go see the train. He's about to come by. Come on. Come on, let's go see the train. He's coming by. Yeah, he's gonna come by. Yeah. Yeah, freight train. Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand. We're gonna go look, okay? Okay, you ready? We're gonna go look. Oh. I know. Okay. Museum, Railroad Museum. Are you ready to go see the train? He's coming. I think he's coming down the track. Look. Wow. Is he gonna come? Yeah, look at that train. Them old towns, guys, where this is the main road and this is it. It's a super cool town. Look at all these old buildings. Most of them are empty. Here we go. We're about to end our little trip in Teague. This is kind of where I grew up, guys. During the summers, we'd come out here and stay with the grandparents. And that's it. We're out of town. Ain't that something? So everybody, this is what I like about these soundscapes you can put on. I usually just turn on YouTube and put these on. But I put it on, looked over 5 minutes later, and somebody had crawled into my bed, went to sleep. Is that not amazing? If your kiddo's sensory overloaded after a good massage and some lavender oil behind the ears, this does the trick.